So adding the social media icons to your WordPress is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to show you how to add social media icons to your WordPress website. So for that, you have to go to your WordPress website, make sure you're logged in. After logging in, you just have to click on this plugin icon, and you will see these options. Now here you have to click on add new. After clicking on add new option, you will see this page. Now here what you have to do is you just have to search plugin and search for menu image. After searching that, you will see these these options. You just have to go to the first option. You just have to install it and activate. After doing that, you just have to go back to your website editor or your website, and here you have to scroll down until you see footer of your web. Now after reaching the footer, you just have to click on this customize button. After clicking on customize button, you have to click on menus, and here you have to create a new menu. Now you have to name this menu. I'm just going to name it social menu. After naming it, you just have to scroll down and select what menu you want it to be. I just want it to be a footer menu, so I'm just going to select footer menu and click on next. And here you can add the items. I'm just going to click on add items, and here I can add the URL for the menu icons. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the Facebook URL. After adding the Facebook URL, I just added two URLs here. The first one is for Facebook, the second one is for YouTube. After adding these two URL, what you have to do is you just have to go back to the main WordPress site. You just have to click on plugins and menus. And here, after reaching there, you just have to select it from primary to the menu you just created. In my case, it is social menu. I'm just going to click on that. And now here, what you have to do is you will see this option for two of the links that you just added, which is menu image. You just have to click on this menu image, and you can upload the images or icons of the social medias. So I've already uploaded these two icons. After uploading that, you just have to select it, and these icons will be added to your WordPress website. So that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.